What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Danny. We're back with another episode and we have a lot to talk about. There's a new project that we're starting because the Corvette mods turned out to be a bigger project than what I expected. We found some damage on the engine, so we're gonna have to do a couple modifications to it and just build it better. So in the meantime, I picked up another project. It's been something that I didn't expect, but I've always wanted. You know, if you guys look back to my previous videos, I was a big motorcycle fan. I've been involved with motorcycles for a long time. I used to race them, I used to build them, and I've always wanted an Italian bike. And I've went looking around. Things have gotten pretty expensive, and it was either a Ducati or an Aprilia. And I found the perfect bike, honestly. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys. But this is the 2020 Misano edition Aprilia RSV4 RR. It's number 70 of 100, and I'm super excited to show you guys. So let's get into it. What's going on, guys? So we are here at a local spot where we usually take videos and pictures. It's kind of gotten pretty popular lately, so security guards are kind of on high alert. But this is it, guys. This is the new project. In the meanwhile, as the Corvette gets its modifications done, it's going to be coming back even crazier. So we'll do a full video on that and talk about all the things that happened and what do we have to do to fix it and get it running perfect. So onto the bike. This is a 2020 Misano edition Aprilia RSV4 RR. It's not the factory, even though it does have the gold forks in the front. Those are just the regular forks. They look like Öhlins. But I've been looking for a while for this bike. I ended up driving to Georgia the day before Thanksgiving to get this thing from a local dealer over there, Southeast Motorcycles. I'll tag them in the video link so you guys can check them out. Very, very nice guys. I spoke to, what is his name? Adam and Brian, and they were both excellent, man. They made everything super easy for me, helped me load the bike up into the truck, strapped it in, and we were out of there within an hour. So it was an easy pickup, guys. But this thing is absolutely beautiful. Number 70 of 100. Super low mileage. I think it's just got over 30, just over 3,200 miles. So practically new. These bikes are honestly, coming from a 2015 ZX10, this thing is a whole other level, man. The amount of electronics they put on these new bikes is absolutely amazing. You got everything from traction control, different maps, ABS, wheelie control, launch control, cruise control. The cluster's a beautiful TFT display. As you can see, that gauge there on the under the N for the neutral, it's an angle gauge, so it tells you your angle. It'll tell you your brake pressure, throttle pressure, because these bikes are all by wireless throttle now, so really nice. So we spent a long time looking for a bike that was clean and unmolested. So I had to travel out of Florida because we did find one locally, but was definitely not in the conditions of this bike. It's got the Krapovich exhaust. Other than that, it's factory stock. For me, the fairings on this bike are what sold me, because I love the Italian tricolor scheme on there. It's absolutely beautiful. Especially now that Ducati just released theirs. I'm kind of glad I went with this one, because it's gonna seem pretty close. It does have the tail tidy, integrated tail. I can try that on for you. So you got your integrated tail light. Again, this thing has cruise control. Lots of nice options on this thing. The modification plans for this thing, definitely doing maybe a 520 conversion if it's not already on it. Light chain, light sprockets. Who knows, maybe some forged wheels in the future, or some BSTs like the ZX-10 had, just to bring down the weight a little bit. But it's not gonna be crazy. Let's turn this thing on so you guys could hear it. I did change the headlights already to the LEDs, because those factory halogens weren't gonna cut it, guys. We gotta be seen at night, so. One thing about the Aprilias that I do like is the frames are not painted, they're polished. So to me, that's like art. They really did a nice job on this thing.